Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C : and hit enter. Then type cd space C : / and hit enter. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space C : /. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C : /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space C : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.